Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Pole, and today we will learn some vocabulary about things in your kitchen. Let's start. Knife. K-N-I-F-E. Knife. Tool for cutting and chopping. Spoon. S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. Utensil for eating and serving. Fork. F-O-R-K. Fork. A utensil for eating and spearing food. Plate. P-L-A-T-E. Plate. Flat dish for serving food. Table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. Surface for dining. Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Seating for dining. Stove. S-T-O-V-E. Stove. An appliance for cooking food using burners. Oven. O-V-E-N. Oven. For baking and roasting. Microwave. M-I-C-R-O-W-A-V-E. Microwave. Appliance for quick heating. Blender. B-L-E-N-D-E-R. Blender. Appliance for blending and pureeing. Cutting board. C-U-T-T-I-N-G-B-O-A-R-D. Cutting board. Surface for chopping food. Tongs. T-O-N-G-S. Tongs. Tool for grabbing and turning food. Refrigerator. R-E-F-R-I-G-E-R-A-T-O-R. Refrigerator. An appliance used to keep food and drinks cold. Toaster. T-O-A-S-T-E-R. Toaster. An appliance used to brown and crisp bread. Knife. Cutting board. Tongs. Refrigerator. Blender. Microwave. Plate. Toaster. Table. Oven. Chair. Stove. Fork. Spoon.